What is good, guys? Good morning. My name is Taijah Marie and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be going through my skincare regime. It's really a struggle for me to keep my skin in check, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that with my skincare regimen. So if you guys are at all interested in seeing how I went from this to this, just keep on watching. I'm almost literally obsessed with the Ordinary products. So most of the products that I'm using are going to be Ordinary products. So after wiping my face down with cold water, I'm going to be using my Niacinamide from the Ordinary. I absolutely swear by this brand. I had such horrible skin when I was in training training for me was 2 years ago now, and I just moved to Dallas, and my skin, I don't know what it was, but it was just acting up, and it just turned black from how dry it was. It was like desert dry. My skin was scabbing, scarring. It was just disgusting. After my niacinamide, I'm using my hyaluronic acid. It's basically a product that moisturizes on a molecular level. So it's deeply penetrating into your skin, and it just absorbs so fast. I just feel like my skin just soaks it all up. It's so nice. I love it. After the hyaluronic acid, I'm going to be using my ARGIRELINE. I think it's pronounced ARGIRELINE solution in 10%. Another product from the Ordinary brand.
I'm not sponsored.
I just love the Ordinary brand. These products saved my skin. My skin was so bad. So bad. This is probably the best my skin has ever looked since I've came out the womb.
I'm stunning, I'm beautiful, I'm gorgeous. I'm physically blessed.
That's probably the only time my skin's looked any better, I swear to God. And I feel like all their products absorb into the skin like super fast. Like my skin just feels so moisturized. I loved it. So next, after my Ordinary serums and droppers, I got this from out of my BoxyCharm box. It is from the Wander brand. It is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I like to use a face oil. Most of my oils come from the Ordinary brand. Like I like to use a marula oil or an argan oil. This one says it has black currant seed oil in it. It brings out the skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil. I really just focus it under my eyes because my under eyes are so dry, and I just discovered that I have allergies, right? So my under eyes are the first thing to show me that I have allergies, and they just swell up so bad. They swell up so freaking bad, and to combat the swelling, I'm using like Flonase and Benadryl. And I don't know what it is about that stuff, but I feel like it sucks the life out of my face. And my skin is left so crepey and dry. So I really just focus my oils underneath my eyes. So next, I am going to be moisturizing with my Taijah Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. This is another product that I got out of my BoxyCharm box. This is a gel cream. It's so moisturizing. Oh my God. I don't know how much this retails for, but I know that Sunday Riley is expensive. So I'm so excited to have gotten this in my BoxyCharm box. Lastly, I'm going to be using another Ordinary product. This is my natural moisturizing lotion. This is another favorite of mine. I don't like moisturizers that are like watery. Oh, I hate that. Or like super thin. I also don't like to like put heavy butter to my face either. So this is like a really good balance. Like I feel like it's thick, It absorbs super fast, but it's not too thick to the point where I feel like, oh my god, this is like clogging my pores. So that's it for moisturizing. And I picked these up from Sam's Club. These are LAPCOS sheet mask set. It comes with 3 charcoal masks, 3 aqua masks. It comes with 3 aloe sheet masks, 3 honey sheet masks. It comes with...
Hi, my name is Tella Bourne, and this is the time I found out I have dyslexia.
3 aloe sheet masks, 2 honey sheet masks, 2 aqua sheet masks, and then 3 charcoal sheet masks. So usually I do my face mask first, but I've just been watching the way other women do their skincare routines, and a lot of them do them in the middle or they do them last. So yeah, this is really just like awesome set of face masks, a variety of different masks. I picked this up at Sam's Club. I usually get my sheet masks from Amazon, but I decided to just try these. So the one I'm gonna grab is going to be... I'm gonna try this one. This is the Aloe Soothing Mask, and this one says it is a aloe leaf and cucumber fruit extract sheet mask that moisturizes and soothes stressed out skin. So I was just like really looking for a super moisturizing mask. I'm not really feeling like my skin needs the charcoal mask or anything like that. I really wish that they would have put... Oh, I almost dropped it. Ooh, this is really juicy. Can y'all see that? This is a lot of juiciness. Oh wow. This feels so different than any other sheet mask I think I've ever used before. Like honestly. It is so juicy. It's so thick and juicy.
Oh my god, it's so juicy!
I like this a lot. So I'm just gonna let this sit. On my face for what, 20 minutes, right?
So I am confusion.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave this on my face for 20 minutes, and it has so much like stuff left over. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Look at all this. Oh my gosh. This is so much. This is the juiciest face mask I ever used. Oh my gosh. All right, Alexa, set an alarm for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
20 minutes later.
All right, so the timer's gone off. My mask is in the trash. And literally the last step of my regimen is putting a little shea butter on my lips. It's a great moisturizer. I use it for my hands, body, hair, everything. And that was it for this video. I really do hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and hit that red subscribe button and join my little family. Let me know in the comments if you guys are using the ordinary products as well. Do they work for you? Don't they work for you? Or are you using something entirely different? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.